Adding a sublet to a repair order. Some features discussed in this video are not available in all the editions of MaxxTraxx. Please visit scottsystems.com for comparisons between the different versions. MaxxTraxx makes it easy to add and record sublet repairs done on your customers' vehicles. You can choose to simply add the sublet to the repair order and bill it out, or you can fully track the process from notifying the vendor to paying the bill. We will start by opening the repair order we want to add the sublet operation to. Please note that a sublet is treated like a part in MaxxTraxx. We have to attach the sublet to a labor line. It cannot be added to a reason for service. Highlight the labor line and click the Sublets button, or right-click the labor line, go to Add, and then Sublet Labor Service. This opens the Sublets window. Find the sublet operation you want to add and either double-click on it or highlight it and click the Select button. The Sales Detail Information window will now be open. In this window, you can modify the description of repairs, add the cost and sale price if it is known, add a discount, change the quantity of the sublet, and mark it as taxable or able to earn loyalty value. This is also where the sublet status is recorded. The status feature is particularly helpful for items that are sent out for repairs, such as machine shop work. You can record the date and time the action was initiated, and the estimated return time, as well as the status. In the Setups menu, you can require the status to be used, make it optional, or not at all. I have my shop set up to make the status optional. Click OK when you are finished with the sublet information. The sublet line is now on the repair order along with the charge to the customer. Notice there is a red circle slash around the S sublet icon. Just like when a part is ordered, this indicates the vendor invoice for the sublet has not been received. Please note this tracking feature can be turned on or off for the individual sublets in the sublet master record. If you have the feature turned on like I do, you would treat the sublet just like you were ordering a part. The first option will be to click the Order Parts button and create a purchase order, or exit the repair order to see the order notice. If you already have the vendor invoice and did not write a purchase order, you can go to the Parts drop-down and click on the Vendor Invoices button. Then click on Input Received Vendor Invoice, select the vendor, and fill in the invoice information. Once posted, the red circle slash will disappear and the repair order can be closed. Remember, this is only applicable when sublet restocking is enabled. There are several advantages to sublet restocking being active. One in particular is that the vendor and invoice information will appear in the Sublet Vendor Record screen by clicking on the View Purchases button. This can be a great tool in tracking sublet purchases. With restocking turned off, you will only be able to view sales information. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.